Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I am your maths teacher Hafiz Faizan. In this video we will learn how can we convert a decimal number system to octal system and base 5 system. Let's start with this question. Question is convert 3025 to octal and base 5. Octal mean 8. So we will convert this decimal number into base 8 and then we will convert into base 5. Okay. So first of all we will draw a two lines like this. And write the given number decimal number here, that is 3025. We want to convert this number into a base 8. So dividing with the table of 8. So 3 is not divisible. 3 is smaller than 8. So combine these two digits, so it becomes 30. Now dividing 30 with the table of 8. 8 3s are 24. So remaining 6. Next digit becomes 62. Now dividing 62 with the table of 8. 8 sevens are 56. Again 6 remaining. So it becomes 65. So 8 8s are 64. So what is remainder? Remainder is 1. Dividing again with the table of 8. Combine these two digits, because 3 is smaller than its divisor. So that's why we will combine these two digits. So it becomes 37. 8 4s are 32. So remaining 5. So it becomes 58. So 8 sevens are 56. Remainder 2. Again dividing with the table of 8. 8 5s are 40. And remainder is 7. We can see that 5 is smaller than its divisor. Dividend is smaller than its divisor, so we cannot further divide this number. Okay, so we have to write these remainders in this direction. First in a right direction, then in upward direction. So 3025 equal to 5721 with its base 8. Base 8 mean octal. So in this way we can convert any decimal number into a octal system. So the decimal number 3025, its octal system is 5721 with its base 8. Okay, now we have to convert this decimal number system into a base 5. So again we will draw two lines like this. Write the given number, decimal number here, 3025, dividing with the table of 5. So 3 is not divisible. Combine next digit, it becomes 30. So read the table up to 30. 5 6 are 30. Now 2 is not divisible. Okay, 2 is not divisible, so you will put a 0 here. Now combine the next digit. So it becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. Okay, again see, 3 is not divisible. 3 is smaller than 5. So we didn't put here 0 because on the left side of any digit 0 has no value. If we put 0 here, so it is useless. Okay, so no need to write 0 here. Now join with the next digit, it becomes 30. So 5 6 are 30. Now 2 is lying between the digits, and this 2 is smaller than its divisor. 2 is smaller than 5. So 2 is not divisible on 5. So you will put 0 here. Then you will join this 2 with the next digit. It becomes 25. Now divide 25 with the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. Again dividing the table of 5. So after dividing with the table of 5 here, so its remainder will be 0. Remainder is necessary. 5 ones are 5, 1 remaining, so next digit becomes 10. 5 twos are 10, and then 5 ones are 5. Again remainder 0. Dividing 121 with the table of 5. 1 is not divisible, so you can put here 0 like this. So this 0 is useless. No join, combine with the next digit, it becomes 12. 5 twos are 10. 2 is remaining, so combine with the next digit, it becomes 21. So 5 fours are 20. So 1 is a remainder, and this 0 you can see that it is useless, so no need to write this 0. Again dividing with the table of 5, it is 24. So read the table of 5 nearest to 24. So 5 fours are 20. So what is remainder? Remainder is 4. So this dividend is smaller than its divisor, so we cannot further divide this digit 4. Okay, so stop here and write the divisor, write the remainder here. The first remainder we will move first in a right direction, and then we will move in upward direction. Okay, so write the remainder 4 4 1 0 0, and its base is 5. So in this way we can convert any decimal number into a base 5. And keep in your mind, we will move first in a right direction. We have to write the remainders. This one is a remainder. Okay, these are the remainders. First we will move in a right direction, then we will move in upward direction. So first we will start from here, 4 4 then 1 0 0. I hope you understood this question. Try to solve related questions from exercise 3.1. Thanks for watching.